What information is required to get a commercial auto insurance quote? If you are looking to get a commercial auto insurance quote, you might be wondering what specific information you need to provide. Let's break it down step by step to make this process easier for you. First, you will need to share your business details. This includes the legal name of your business, its address, and a description of what your business does. Insurers need this information to assess the level of risk associated with your operations. Next, you will need to provide vehicle information. For each vehicle you want to insure, you should include the make, model, year, vehicle identification number, and license plate number. It is also important to specify whether the vehicle is owned, leased, or rented. Another key aspect is usage details. You should explain how the vehicles are used in your business. Are they used for transporting goods, passengers, or equipment? Do they make deliveries or go on sales calls? If the vehicles carry hazardous materials or requiring special licenses, be sure to mention that as well. Driver information is also essential. You will need to provide details about the drivers who will operate the vehicles. This includes their names, ages, driving history, and any relevant licenses or endorsements. This helps insurers evaluate the risk associated with your drivers. When it comes to coverage needs, think about what types of coverage you want. Most states requiring liability coverage, but you may also want collision coverage for accident-related damage and comprehensive coverage for non-collision incidents like theft or weather damage. You might also consider additional options like uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage and personal injury protection. You should also be aware of state requirements. Since commercial auto insurance laws vary by state, you will need to provide the state or states where the vehicles will be operated. This ensures that your quote meets local legal minimums and any specific coverage mandates. The total number of vehicles you want to insure is another factor that affects your quote. More vehicles typically lead to higher premiums, so be prepared to provide this information. Lastly, your business's insurance history is important. Insurers will look at your prior insurance records, including any claims or violations, as this influences the risk assessment and pricing. By providing all this information, insurers can tailor a commercial auto insurance policy that fits your business needs. This coverage protects your business vehicles against liability for bodily injury or property damage, as well as physical damage to your vehicles from collisions, theft, or other hazards. Understanding the differences between collision and comprehensive coverage is also important. Collision coverage addresses damage from accidents, while comprehensive coverage protects against non-accident-related issues like weather or vandalism. This is especially relevant for business use vehicles that may face varied risks depending on their operation.